Hare Krishna. Today, the word common to this meaning of sloka and the joke is pushing or pushing further. First, the joke. A person was in the interview. 4 or 5 people are in the board. They are asking questions. After initial small questions, then the MD asked the person, the candidate, you have come to our company for interview, you have known something about our company. Can you tell what is our company's policy? That fellow was very confident. He said, our company's policy is push. This, all the people could not control their laughter, but they were controlling somehow. What is push? The junior officer laughed and asked, what is push? Then another officer asked, where did you find our policy? This push policy, where did you see? That man was surprised. Sir, you don't know? In every one of your doors is written. So, what do you say for such a person? Now, the sloka is chapter 6, sloka number 9.
सुहृन्मित्रार्युदासीन मध्यस्थद्वेष्यबन्धुषु साधुष्वपि च पापेषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते.
Now this sloka is a brilliant sloka in the sense, if a person can follow this, Krishna himself will accept that nothing else is required for him, he can get moksha immediately. What is that sloka? Krishna is telling a person has to push ahead in his life and become further advanced. And when can that be achieved? When his attitude should be like this. What is that? He lists 9 people. Actually, it's a matter of admiration when you just walk in the road and see from your window people who are walking, and suddenly ask who that man is to you. Somebody asks, he can say either he is my friend or enemy or unconnected person or my relative. Only 3 or 4 we are able to classify. But Krishna says 9. That is his greatness. He says 9. What are the 9? First we will see 9. The honest well-wisher, friend, enemy, envious person, pious person, sinner, all these people are different type of people. A person who is impartial and indifferent to all of them, and he sees them with equal mind. That is the further elevation Krishna wants for a person. So is it possible? When a prime minister or a chief minister comes to our house for some function or whatever it is, so another friend or junior friend or a relatively poor person comes, will you not see the chief minister first rather than giving attention to this man? That is very natural. But Krishna's ideal person does that. And if we can reach and become that ideal person, that is wonderful. But very, very difficult. So, in practicality, it appears to be very difficult. How can enemy, sinner, pious person, a saint, well-wisher and friends, those who are doing middleman portion, that means the interlocutor, between 2 people they make peace arrangement. All these people, how can it be equally treated? But Krishna, we have told earlier also the same example. Krishna is telling this, so it is possible. And one more point is Krishna has done it, and so it is possible to do the same thing. He has done and shown. That is the greatness of Krishna. Hare Krishna.